So what's up guys, no nata karon diri sa event sa Zucker. Let's go. Nag-welcome na sila guys. Nadiri si Ma'am.
Kayo!
Kuyo niyo ang Wonderlust. So nasa lay padula sa diri no. Away lang mga games. If makaigo ka na kay prize. Look at that guys. So mo ato na ta sa resto ato i-interview ang mga pro like me, pro man sad go. So talako ko ninyo. So what's your name?
Hi everyone. My name is Hong Ngang. Everyone call me Omi.
So how was Philippines?
Great. People very friendly.
So far, what's your favorite Filipino food?
Lechon.
Lechon. Okay, so can you please say Tulbong Yun? That's how you greet the Filipino people.
What?
Tulbong Yun.
Turbongit.
Again, Tulbong Yun.
Turbongit.
Thank you. So,
Thank you.
what's your name?
Hi, my name is Phúc Nguyen.
Who's the toughest opponent have you encountered? In singles first.
In singles, everyone is tough. You know, everyone's getting better day by day. I think for me personally, if my game is on, I'm not really scared of anyone. It's just myself and mentally if I'm prepared that day or not. It's sport. Anything can happen, you know. And there's so many tournaments. Like every week there's a tournament, and every tournament we're playing the same players every week in and out, week in and week out. So we'll have some wins here, some losses here, but it's okay. At the end of the day, I just try to be the best version of myself on that day. Yeah.
That's good, that's good. So can you please greet our Filipino people to say Tulbong Yun? That's how we greet
Tulbong.
Filipino people. Yeah, Tulbong Yun.
Tulbong Yun.
Yeah! Let's go! So, galing na si Fok. Stilan, di ka sa lugbula, bisik na kaya na ko na. So, nalimot tag-check-in, mo check-in pa data. Sheesh, Tulbong Yun, yun Hi, pwede mo check-in. Room number, charot. Nas Buns dire, no? Nas Buns. Kung sa'yo masulto sa event karon.
Tulbong na ni ron. Tulbong ni tanan.
Hala ako, pwede ko. So, amo na ni siyang buhaton ron. Atong aim is sapatos sa paddle. Tulbong. Let's go. Tulbong yun. Lisod lagi. O diba? So, lisod kayo siya. Kain kag sayon, lisod. Lisod kayo. So, wala may chance? Okay. So, another visit. It's the weekend. So, as of the moment, gahulat na lang may mag-start ang kaon. Sa kaon rami mamawi. Na silang buns dire. Na silang Wonderlust. So, gutom na kayo. Let's go guys. Muna na yun. Muna to, the most awaited part. So, I'm eating pasta and paklay and sabaw. Pasta klay. Let's go. So, naabot si Kuan Where to Wonder. Oh, hello, Dam. Hello. Ayan pong sidekick. Hello. Kung manatag ka, no, busog na kayo ta. Pakuan sa ta, pahilis ba? Pa-picture si Sir. Yes, sir. Tulbong yun. Napod rin ang tag-iya sa CS, no? Napod si Sir dire.
Mana ka ni?
Manaw ako kada og yate lisuda uy. Himola. Wala po ga?
Wala! Alpax yun!
So ang event sa soccer no di pud basta-basta kay daghan sa no kadung moron na sila mga pa-drums. Bongga sad ba? So nakadaog ta og raffle no swerte kita nakadaog ta aning wristband and paddle. Ito pang wheels po. Wheels na ni. Wheels na. So, natagdiri galing niya, no? Magpapirma ta. So, may natag pa sign no, sa atong paddle. Hulat na lang tag dula. Pero wala, gitabunan man ta kaniya. So, kung nakita sa video, Ano ko yung itabunan, ha? Gusto. Thank you so much, Zucker Philippines and CSB Cable Store. Nakadaog ka, kanang happy. O dapat kang ma-happy, kaya nakadaog mo ka. Kaya ganyan yung stuff, ilahin natin. So thank you very much. So guys, mulit na tanong and cool mo.
Advance kayo glihok, beginner daw ang book. Murag lahi ang level, pero diri ang schedule. Tulbong good.